late.
Alfie,
What?
your trousers, hon.
Right, let's go, let's go. Do you have Peach in there with you, love? Good girl.
Hiya, yeah, I'm looking for a room. For a week, just, I'd say. 3 nights would be brilliant. Even for a night, just. Rose,
Are you living in your car?
we're in between places.
Shut! Mommy!
Shh, I said. Bit mad, like. Trying to find somewhere to stay tonight. Hiya, I'm looking for a room. Just tonight, like. Okay, thanks anyway. I end up not having time to look for somewhere proper to live. Something we can afford. No.
We don't live here anymore.
Come on.
Why don't we live in this house?
We have to go. Please, love. Yes, sorry. I'm sorry. Is there nowhere we can go?
Where?
Somewhere safe.
Where's Katie, Mommy?
She wasn't in the school. She's not answering her phone. Kaylee! Kaylee! I've always looked after them. We're not homeless. We're just lost.